MSPM pays a tribute to the power of theatre and to you, our cherished audience, by presenting Mission Hope. Writer Prashant Gurav and Sanvi Mungikar, Director Prashant Mohan Gurav, Co-Director Language Credits Kriti Jalota and Master Dhruv Vyas, Music Swaraj Arin, Lights Amok Painse, Art and Settings Sachin Gotard. Special thanks Mr. Rajesh Dode, Mrs. Shweta Dode, Dr. Piyush Dharasaran, Mrs. Madhvi Momaya and Mr. Rajiv Vengurlikar. Mulund Shikshan Prasarak Mandal presents Mission Hope.
Miss Kaushik, I hope you are ready for takeoff.
Yes, Mission Control. We are ready for takeoff.
Somnath, start the countdown.
Understood. Countdown initiated.
This is Project Command. Stand by to power transfer. Time is X minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Mr. Nayak, Mr. Kaushik, please go through your checklist and inform us about the situation.
Nayak, orbit instant confirmed. We are safe now. We have safely escaped the grasp of the lower atmosphere.
Yes, the oxygen systems are in control. The functionality is 100%. The situation is stable.
Somnath, all systems are in control and the situation is stable.
Start the detachment process of rear thrusters.
Already started, ma'am. Rail thrusters detaching.
Ashwini ma'am, is everything fine?
Yes, everything is fine.
This is your first time, right?
I hope everything is under control. We are going to make a historic beginning. So now, we'll be talking about our mission. Does everyone remember about their objective, or do I need to remind you all?
Don't worry, Dr. Hokle, my success is definite. I believe that I will be able to conduct a groundbreaking research on space botany.
Good. You remember that much. And after that?
After that, I will analyze the samples of rocks floating on Mars and send you the results.
Somnath, why they're not replying?
After that, I will analyze the samples of rocks floating on Mars and send you the results.
Artists Dr. Gokhale, Gretel Sons, Nayak Arush Naik, Ashwini Bhattacharya, Anaya Mozar, Kaushik Sharvi Subhash, Somnath Shravani Kasar, Agent A Dhruv Vyas and Dhaval Rukhana.
Nayak, are the repairs done?
Working on it, but it should be done soon.
See this. Yesterday, after I ran the system analysis, it showed that there is damage on the left side of the engine compartment.
Oh, so that's why I'm not getting the fuel injector to work. This needs to be my top priority.
Good.
everything here is working fine. Luckily, the piece of asteroid that hit us didn't disable our sample collecting boards.
That's great.
But have we gotten any reply from Earth?
No, not yet. But let me try again. Mission control, we all are safe. Work is going on in full swing. RR messages reaching you. I repeat, RR messages reaching you. Are you receiving the research results that we are sending? Please reply or give some indication.
Okay, so there's a good news and there's a bad news. Tell me, which one do you want to hear first?
Good news.
Looks like I'll have to decide. Okay, so the bad news is that our fuel injector is damaged. But our good news is that I can connect it with the reserve fuel.
No, Nayak. You can't. Because the second one is also bad news.
What are you talking about? It's in the rocket's design. What do you mean?
It's only there in the rocket's design. Actually, it's not with us.
I don't understand. What are you exactly saying? Is it a good news or a bad news?
It's
It's
a
a
bad
bad
news. What? You are aware of it?
Yes. And you?
Yes. Ashwini ma'am, I'm sorry. Dr. Gokhale told me before takeoff that the rocket was too heavy. So they had to take out the fuel reserves. I didn't want to hide this from you. But the stakes were too high.
Honestly, I knew about this too. But like Kaushik, I kept quiet only because of the sake of our mission.
What type of people are you?
We are sorry, Ashwini ma'am. We genuinely didn't want to hide this from you. But the mission...
Same here, Ashwini ma'am. I also did not want to hide this from you. But only because of our mission.
Are you done or you have something more to say? Listen very carefully. I don't have any complaints. I am also a scientist. Our first duty is to complete our research without worrying about our lives. But have you got any plan for going back?
Actually, my stats are showing that we had only used up 20% of our fuel and that 80% of it was still left. That means our probability of reaching Earth was 80%.
What? What do you mean it was?
But now because of that accident, we cannot access that fuel. Now the only fuel available is 22%, which we are using to drift in a controlled manner.
I have faith in your skills. 22% probability is enough right now. Let's focus on our work first. After all, we still have some hope. Let's complete our research first and then worry about our lives.
Right. A scientist lives on hope, belief, and experiments.
Let's get on with it then. Our first priority is to complete our work and send the results of our work to Earth.
Arre wah, Ashwini, you have begun to talk like us.
Ashwini?
I mean, Ashwini ma'am.
No, call me Ashwini.
I'll get on with the repairs and make some new starts.
And I'll work on establishing contact with Earth.
We cannot use a thermonuclear bomb.
Okay.
A thermonuclear bomb is not powerful enough to shoot up purposes.
Sorry.
To shoot up purposes. We are almost ready with the alloy.
Okay, so that's the major issue.
Yes.
Ma'am, who does the plumbing work for us?
What?
Who does the plumbing work? Plumbing.
Somnath, can't you see? I'm in an important meeting. Do one thing, go and intercept any messages from space. Knowing Kaushik, she will use the global frequency, from which you might find any other country's finer details.
Ma'am, I have a question. Why is it that their messages reach us but ours don't reach them?
Somnath,
Sorry.
do your work.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
As I was saying, we need to install proper defensive mechanisms and the bomb needs to be radio controlled.
1 minute. Somnath,
Yes, ma'am.
not this work. Do your work at priority.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
We need to ensure that the bomb is not intercepted in its flight path.
Well done, Agent A.
A? His name is A?
Yes, his name is A.
But what kind of name is this A?
I prefer not to disclose my real identity.
Ha ha ha.
Somnath, what's so funny?
Ma'am, he shows his face but hides his name. That's so funny.
Somnath, you have a lot of work to do.
Go. Yes.
I need two more things. Co-materials and scientists. We need to start executing the hyperatomic bomb project. Project Brahmastra.
Okay. Now finally tell me, what do you want from me?
You know what I need.
Okay, I'll do that.
Pleasure meeting you.
Doctor, you need to see this.
Yes! Yes, Somnath, this will work! This will work! They have done it! Somnath, they have done it! Fantastic!
Fantastic! Well done, Ashwini. You will again trigger our green revolution in a century.
Very nice.
Listen very carefully. The roots of plants absorb boron from soil, which help them grow better and faster. The soil also contains micronutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, calcium and magnesium, which help them grow faster. These asteroids contain the same element boron, which is commonly found on Earth and which helps plant grow better.
But if this is already found in the soil of Earth, what is the need of taking it back there?
Maybe the boron present in the asteroid would help in the faster growth of the plants?
Exactly. I'll explain it to you with the help of an example. The boron present in Earth works faster by 2%, but the same element on asteroid works 70% faster. Means ultimately the plants will grow 70% faster than its usual growth.
I hope our work is reaching Dr. Gokhale.
Nayak, Ashwini, I have been keeping the global frequency search going on for the last 36 hours. See, we have received some messages, but they are encrypted. Give me a minute,
Play them.
but it might be random.
Who cares? Let's hear them all.
Kaushik, Nayak and Ashwini, your work is reaching us. I'm happy that all of you are safe and alive. You're doing a great job. We have already got a breakthrough due to your research. But one thing you might have noticed, that you don't have enough fuel to return to Earth. Kaushik, you had asked me this question, right? Why is the name of this project Mission Hope? The real answer is that I can only hope that you will come back safe and alive. Since I don't have a practical solution yet, I hope you'll find a way back.
Sometimes I feel that Dr. Gokhale acted very selfishly.
Just like you treated me, it's okay.
Let's not think about who behaved how. Whether it was Dr. Gokhale or us, we are working for the good of humanity. And we don't know who has selfish interests. But everyone's effort is to complete their work.
You are right. Are there any other messages?
Yes.
Then play them.
Kaushik sir, we are repeatedly trying to reach you and your team. Work is underway to create a bot using solar panels which can track your location and provide you with some materials and food. But even that bot will be not able to return to Earth. You will have to find your own way back home. Your messages and reports are reaching us. If you receive this message, please reply immediately.
My head is numb.
It feels like our entire lives will end here.
But this won't work.
Yes. Because only our reports have gone to Earth.
But not the boron samples.
It's more important than us reaching Earth to get these boron samples from asteroid to Earth.
Yes. Come on, let's try again. Let's put our heads together again. It will definitely work. We'll definitely find a solution. We cannot leave everything half-heartedly. I'll make all the new starts again. It will work. We'll definitely find a solution.
And I'll work on establishing contact with Earth.
Who are you? What are you doing here? What is the code?
I am waiting for someone.
Okay. You see this? This is Mach 390Z, which can end you in 25 milliseconds. I will ask one last time. If you don't tell me the correct answer and code...
Somnath, what is this going on?
Ma'am, how did he reach our meeting room? Only few of us veterans can come here.
He's a veteran. Put your gun down. Somnath, I said put your gun down. Yes.
Now we are in the position and ready to execute the project Brahmastra. At your permission, Dr. Gokhale, we will begin the project Avocado.
That means
Yes, the lasers are in the position and the planet can be completely terraformed.
doing this much work in 3 months, it is really appreciable.
So now, Dr. Gokhale, we need to prepare evacuation ships and shielding system. Now, if someone messes with my nation, I will give the world the biggest and the final show of the firework it has ever seen.
Means everything is falling into place. We'll show this ready project to the president. Our India has never been less than anyone and will not be in the future either.
Yes, absolutely right.
You should go on a vacation now.
No, the fun has just begun.
Right. Somnath,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really impressed today.
About what, ma'am?
Pointing gun at Agent A was not that easy.
Was that Agent A?
Yes, science has gone beyond our imagination. It is not that difficult to change a face with the help of science. Sometimes it may happen that the person standing in front of you is not even a person, just like you.
Ma'am, how could I not scan Agent A?
Agent A is very smart. He knows that you are an emotion and task-based robot.
Ma'am, I have a question. Who named me Somnath?
It was Kaushik's idea.
Kaushik sirs.
Somnath, do you know when this error of yours will go? Call her Kaushik ma'am. She is female, not male.
Ma'am, they have fed this into my ROM, and ROM is non-volatile memory. So after everyday charging and reset, my default parameters are reloaded.
Let it be. What difference does it make? Male, female, we all are scientists here.
Ma'am, from my outer body, I am female. Then why you name me Somnath?
Because at the time of your project launch, it was our Indian researcher, Sridhar Panikar Somnath's birthday.
ISRO's chairman.
Right.
Ma'am, Kaushik sir's message.
Kaushik, play.
We have received some of the messages. We are glad our efforts are making their way to you. The mission goals are aligning and falling into place perfectly. Until the boron samples reach Earth, our grand mission remains unwillingly unfinished. At the beginning of the mission, we were hit by a running asteroid which damaged our fuel injector, and there is no backup fuel left. But we are determined to return to Earth with boron samples. Now, We will contact you only after we return to Earth's orbit. Ashwini, are all the reports which we have sent have reached Dr. Gokhale? Ashwini, are you listening? Ashwini, what happened? Are you not feeling well? What happened? Why are you crying? If you're not feeling well, take rest. Do you want to sleep for a while? Relax, Baba. You're walking continuously.
No, I am fine.
Please tell me what happened. Nayak, has he said something?
Actually,
I knew it. But don't think too much about what he says. He loves his work so much that he doesn't let anyone get in the way of his work.
no, on the contrary, Nayak helps me in everything.
Then what happened?
Actually, today my daughter turns 10. It's her birthday today. She was this small when I joined the Space Research Center. I couldn't even meet her properly. And now, I'm here. I don't know I can go back or not. I'm sorry I made you feel upset.
No, Ashwini. At least you have experienced it. What marriage is, what having your own family is, what becoming a mother is. I was working on a big project for about 20 years. In those 20 years, I have lost so many things. I can't even tell you. But a true scientist always thinks about their country first and then about their personal life. But never mind. Today is your daughter's birthday, right? So what should we do? Should we order a cake online?
Here?
Yes. Now tell me what happened. Tell me with a smile. Even your sorrow is so tired of itself that it's smiling a little.
Having fun alone, huh? What's going on? Tell me what's going on. Even I want to have some fun.
Arey, today is Ashwini's daughter's birthday.
Wow, that's great. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. What's the name?
Ashwini.
No, the name of your daughter.
Oh, Ira.
Ira. Happy birthday to you. Yeah!
Wow, you guys are not just my friends but my family.
Ashwini, you women are like superheroes. You take care of work, the house, doing lots of research in space here. This isn't any small task.
No, wait. What happened and what do you want from us?
Actually, I want to add an engine to the machine compartment.
Engine to the machine compartment?
What are you saying?
Sorry, I meant I want to add a machine to the engine compartment.
See, I told you. Let's go!
Ma'am, our farthest satellite is in Earth orbit. That is 35,876 kilometers. We can operate our solar bot within 40,000 kilometers. then it will access Kaushik sir on its own.
Good. But it's been a long time now. They may not have enough food to eat. When will the solar board be fully ready?
Ma'am, work is going at a rapid pace. We will need more 7 days. Then we will immediately send help to Kaushik sir.
Hurry up, Somnath, hurry up. Hold on, Kaushik, hold on. Just for a little longer.
Okay, now everything is set. We don't have any backup fuel, but the great Nayak has solved a second problem. That is the fuel injector problem.
How so?
Our fuel injector was damaged, right?
Right.
But the fuel on which I have a 22% probability on is in our main fuel tank. So now I have connected the engine to the main fuel tank. Now our only job left is to reach Earth's gravitational orbit by any means necessary.
That's great! Damn, what are you made up of, man? You just never give up, do you?
Nayak, I'm so proud to have you in my team.
Don't start praising me already. The mission isn't over yet.
I'm not talking about the mission. I am talking about you. That fire inside you.
Seriously though, where does this attitude come from?
Honestly, I don't really know. I grew up an orphan. No parents, no relatives, no one. Life threw a lot at me. But I realized one thing as I grew older. Those weren't problems. They were challenges. And I realized one thing as I grew older. These weren't, every challenge has a solution. As long as you don't have a plan B. Whatever comes, I face it head on. You know, if a kid like me can be the chief engineer at a space research center, then believe me, anyone can achieve anything in this world.
Nayak, remember one thing. We are a family. Whatever happens next, we face it together.
I know for sure that we are going to succeed. And one more thing, scientists live on hope
Belief!
and experiments. Let's go!